Hey everybody, Rick here, back at Universal Studios, this time to give you a rapid fire info video on the Coke Freestyle Refillable Cup program. Now, it's not so complicated. It doesn't take me 15 minutes to do this. In fact, here on Rix, we'll do it in under 6. Coca-Cola Freestyle Cups are cups you purchase once, but can refill for free throughout the day an unlimited number of times. You only have to wait 10 minutes between refills. For example, if you fill your cup at 9 a.m., you can refill it at 9:10 a.m. The Coca-Cola Freestyle machines were introduced in 2009. They are those touchscreen soda dispensers that give you access to over 150 different Coke products. Or create your own Frankenstein combination of flavors for a truly epic drink. When you do that though, make sure you keep your cup in place in the cup holder pad. There is a sensor in that and a chip on the bottom of your cup. That's how they keep track of the time in between uses. These Freestyle machines dispense soda, Powerade, vitamin water, teas, and regular water. And here is something not everyone realizes. They're also good for refills of icy and lemon slush. Sounds great. How much do they cost? The Coke Freestyle Refillable program features different pricing points. And these pricing points, of course, are subject to change. So what I'll do right now is I'll just keep this image on the screen for you to check out the current pricing. And remember, this pricing is plus tax. You get a break if you buy more cups. The price is more expensive if you buy just 1 cup. If you buy 2 cups, you get a little better deal. If you buy 3 to 6 cups, an even better deal. But like I said, do keep in mind these prices are subject to change. Please note, to get the discount, all the cups have to be purchased at the same time. The cups never expire. Bring them back the next day or the next vacation. You only have to pay to have it reactivated, and the reactivation cost at the moment is a little over $11.70. The Freestyle Refillable Cups can be used inside the theme parks at any food and beverage cart or any quick service restaurant that sells fountain drinks. There are also some freestanding Freestyle dispensers around the park. A fun location you may want to visit is the Coca-Cola refreshment station right by the MIB attraction. Please note, the refills are not available in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter or at any full-service restaurant. The Freestyle cups you purchase in the theme parks are not valid for hotel use. That's because the hotels have their own Freestyle Refillable Cup program. Additionally, the hotel Freestyle cups cannot be used inside the theme parks. Universal does release specially themed cups, like for Christmas and my favorite, Halloween Horror Nights. And here is something to keep in mind if you're considering participating in this program. Just to buy a fountain drink on its own will run you a little over $4. So if you think you might have 2 or 3 drinks during your park visit, the refillable cup is probably worth it to you. Especially on reactivation days when you are only charged $11.70 plus to use the refillable cup. And that is it, my friends. That is the Coke Freestyle Refillable Cup program in a nutshell. How'd I do on time? I felt like I did it in under 6. If I did it in under 6, give me a thumbs up. If I did it in over 6, give me a thumbs down. But as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and now click that subscribe button